In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Life has its ups and downs. Relationships has its ups and downs. Our interaction with the people has its ups and downs. Sometimes it is going smooth. Sometimes there comes certain issues, disputes with the people. And while having the differences and the disputes with the people, maybe most of the people are of the view that everything else is fair in love and war. I disagree with it, and I vehemently disagree with it. This disagreement is the reason of today's talk. I think that we should hold our values. Differences are there and it's okay. But it is far more important, it is far more better to stick to the principles, to stick to the standards, to maintain your standards. Establish your standards and maintain your standards. I'm not asking you to surrender. I'm not asking you to surrender at all. But simultaneously, you and I should, rather must surrender if our stance, our opinion is not a legitimate one, not based on justice. Justice is far more important than anything else. But if the justice alone is enough, no. Justice is there and something of primary importance, something of primary nature. We should never ever compromise upon it. We should never ever compromise upon it. Though when the difference is that of very small, trivial, ignorable, unimportant issues, we must surrender. We must compromise. If the issue, if at stake are the trivial things, the trivial benefits, not to argue is the right option. Not to argue is the right option then. Otherwise, you have every right. You have every right to keep your to keep to keep struggling, to keep working, to keep trying to persuade the people that this is your principled stand and you are going to stick to it. You are not going to surrender, you are not going to compromise, and you are not going to capitulate. It is the capitulation actually which matters here. Even if you are weak, even if you are weak, but your stance is justified, your principles are justified, your stance is justified, your opinion is the correct one, you are not trying to do the injustice with anyone else at all. I think then it is very right thing. Then you must stick to your you must stick to your opinion, to your stand. Take the stand actually. Not to compromise and not to capitulate is something very necessary. But at the same time, there are some of the people who are found saying that everything else is fair in love and war. I vehemently disagree with those people. I think whether it is the love or the war, in both of these cases, or even if there are normal situations and circumstances, we must not commit the excesses against anyone else at all. We must remain justified enough. Rather, we need to become a bit generous. We need to nurture, we need to maintain a bit of generosity. I'm not suggesting that be too much of the generous person, that you do have to sacrifice the very basic of your opinion, the very basic of your rights. I'm not suggesting that thing at all, because it is undoable, because it is not practical. And once something is not practical and doable, once Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has permitted us to stick to your to stick to your opinion, to your standard, and not to and be but maintain a justice along with a bit of the sacrifice, along with a bit of the generosity. If you don't believe in the sacrifice, at least do a bit of generosity, a little bit of it, and not too much of it actually. Never, always. Plus, apart from that, keep your mind cool enough. Be a very cool minded person, because if at all you are so quick to lose your temper, because if somebody is not patient enough, because I am not exercising the patience, because I am not patient enough, because I am not cool minded enough, then I think so that there are a lot of chances that I am going to lose the battle, that I shall not be able to maintain, I shall not be able to maintain the right course. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, the right thing for us is to stay cool minded at all, to stay cool minded at all, and to the more patient we are, the more cool hearted, cool minded at all, the better it is for our interest. We can protect our interest in a far better manner if at all we are the cool minded person, instead of the person who is found losing the heart so quickly, who is found losing the temperament so quickly, who is a person of short or bad temper. And we need to remain respectful, or we must avoid disrespecting other people. We must not be angry over other people, no matter what is their style. They might start disrespecting us. Neither we have to become a disrespectful toward those people, nor we have to run away. I think we need to avoid the both of these, and we need to avoid the both of these, and we do have to remain the steadfast. If at all we remain the steadfast on the one hand, and a very cool minded person on the other hand, I believe that the victory is going to be ours, and victory is going to be ours. And a person who believes that everything else is fair in love and war, I think that she is going to inshallah fail, and we shall make them fail. We shall not allow them to succeed at all. We shall never ever allow them to succeed at all, because we are going to do whatever needed is justice on the one hand, a little bit of and not too much of the generosity. We need to adopt, if at all we want to remain a graceful human being, if at all we want to remain an honorable and a respectful human being. I'm not suggesting that we should sacrifice the very basic, not at all. It is unaffordable, it is undoable, it is not practical at all. Cool mindedness and respectful. Never ever lose your own right, but do not try to usurp the right of anyone else at all. Be as fair minded, be as fair as possible, be as much as justice minded as possible. Be very scrupulous human being, be quite an ethical human being. Thank you, Jazakallah.